Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Dipped in Chocolate, and today we have two guests here,
Kiki, Jada,
and today we'll be doing part 2 of getting to know Michaela more. So today basically I'm going to be asking my two best friends some questions, and then them are going to write it down and tell me which are the answers basically. So the first question is, what was my favorite subject in school?
No man, I have to try and remember this. Because it's like two in my head.
Write it to them. Write it to them.
Okay.
Hopefully them right. Alright, what are your answers?
History and literature.
Yeah.
Literature.
Right here. Get right here, man.
Because you always be excited when we go over lab.
Cause I see. Tell them someone that try. Alright. Name one food I do not like. One food me not like. Like me go say, Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bing 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 bing.
Anything man, seafood. I couldn't think of that. Some of that said.
Alright.
Me have yam.
Yum? You're mad.
Yeah.
What is my favorite meal of the day? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Answer loud.
Dinner. Yes, you said dinner.
You may say dinner.
You ready?
Come on. Yeah.
Dinner.
Dinner.
You eat breakfast?
Me love every food. I want to my friend them.
But you eat breakfast? You eat
Of
breakfast?
course. Yeah. Me eat breakfast, I meet lunch, me eat dinner. Breakfast can be a fruit. Me would know that. Every food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Alright, next question is, name 2 items I always carry. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The phone and your laptop. Lip gloss and your book?
Lip gloss on my phone, so only get 1 point. lip gloss! You know what I ever bring my lip gloss? Alright.
I'm not paying attention to lip gloss.
Alright, other question. If I had to get a tattoo, what would I get? If Michaela would I get one tattoo, which one would I get? What would I get? Come on, man, you know this.
You tell me what you want to remember.
5. Think. You must know. Think. 5.
Then if you had to tell myself a thing, can I confuse me?
No.
4. 3. Write it now. 2.
I'm not for write it.
1.
One cross. You know the infinite something there with the earth and the cross and the you know that
My
life
mother's
machine.
name or my mother's when my mother born her when she dead.
Oh, God.
Me tell you that.
Me wouldn't know.
Or the African map.
Oh,
The map.
yeah, me that think
Jesus,
about that.
what is wrong
Me
with
that
you?
think about some
What is
African,
wrong
but
with you
I'm not
guys?
Sure.
Auntie my best friend's country I want to visit. If you don't get this, me get up. Me get up. 5, 4, 3, 2. The pen are done. 1.
Africa.
Dubai me have the rich country. Yeah. Alright, what's my type?
Rich nigga. That's my time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dark skin and tall.
Dark skin and rich. Do I have any scars from my childhood, and where are they?
of the day.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pioneer. That's my answer, Joe.
And this.
But you have one pioneer, though.
Yeah.
Everybody have it.
Me
Everybody have
jump
time.
off my bicycle.
Everybody have it.
DLR.
Jump off of one bicycle because I feel like I was going to die. So I
9 or 3, me
fell
drop
off.
out.
Who's the most famous celebrity I have ever met? You know that. You know that for sure. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is most famous celebrity?
You know you're not giving no time for things? You're really and truly not giving no time.
You should remember this. Come see the man, me behave like me nah no sense. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Oh,
1.
Quada?
Quada. Quada.
Yeah, we never really meet him.
I meet him.
Oh,
We see him. I'm gonna saw. And I'm gonna saw. So meet him. Alright. What kind of lawyer do I want to become? Oh Lord. All these my friends.
You ready? You not tell me, say
What?
ready? A family liar?
That's my answer as well.
Stop say that's my answer as well.
So,
Because everything what Kiki said.
that's my answer as well. Then we want to switch my answer and get it wrong if it's even wrong.
People me some different best friend. Them don't know me.
Son of family.
Them they around me every day now. And chat to me every day and them don't know me. So
Because you not talk about yourself.
I talk about myself. I'm so conceited. I talk about myself every single
Wait,
day.
talk about yourself, say. So you want this and you want that.
That's yeah.
They want
Yeah,
people, they want God. That is not talking about
that is not
yourself.
talking about yourself.
yourself.
You're not talking about, you're not talking about say, you know, so my girl wants to know a liar. I want to know a liar. That kind of liar,
We
eh?
talk to you. Oh, you know, some family lawyer then. Because I told
Because
you.
you have family problems.
Yes, that's the reason why family liar pop up.
So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload. And people, please follow my social media down in the description below. And please, when you go to my social medias, please follow the other social medias that are on my social medias. Please, if you understand what I'm saying, give me a big thumbs up down in the comments. Right girl right through. Right hashtag girl right through. You stay nice, Melanin Queen. Yes, she. Pine Royalty and different spell backwards by Instagram is going to be in my description down below. So people just stay nice, stay clean. Big up the Ank family. Big up the man behind the camera. Him, nice bad. Alright, right true. Thank you for watching the video. Mwah. You know what I'm saying?
It's a friend.